Batman, I've been running a simulation on the damage Ivy's plants will do to Gotham.
They won't get that far. My antidote will stop them and Ivy.
I hope you're right. I'm here if you need me.
Oracle, we've got another problem.
What now? Two-Face? Riddler? Some kind of giant Joker robot?
Unfortunately, nothing that simple. I'm at the main sewer junction, and it appears to be polluted with Titan. Why? What's he doing now?
I'll look into it.
The Titan water seems to be corrosive, but it shouldn't trouble the suit. What have you found out?
I'm not sure you're ready for this.
No, but go ahead.
Joker's pumping all the waste product from the Titan process into that chamber. It acts as a kind of natural storage tank. Once it's full, it releases the water into the Gotham River. Normally, it's safe, but...
But this time it's full of Titan. How do I stop it?
I'm working on it. According to the plans I have on file, there are 3 control rooms. The first is directly above you.
I'll shut them all down.
What will happen if this Titan stuff reaches Gotham?
It won't reach Gotham.
Get a move on! I want it done now! You heard him. You done yet?
Yeah, we're at full power, pumping out gallons of stuff. What will it do?
Who cares?
But my mom lives down by the docks.
I know.
Everyone knows. Don't you talk about her. I'll kill you, you understand?
Can you hear me? Oh, for the love of... I suppose that's you in there, Bat. Well, enjoy it while you can. These caves will be your tomb.
You heard him. Shoot to kill. I never do anything else.
That's not what I heard. What are you talking about? I'm the best shot in Gotham. Everyone knows that.
Yeah, whatever. I obviously didn't get the email.
It's the bat! You gotta...
He's down there with you, making you all look like fools.
And what?
You held him upside down and beat the crap out of him. The guy was the best.
Oh, he's here!
He's making you look stupid. Filthy is that hard to do, but it is not why I put you down there. He's trying to shut down the power. Do not let him. Is that clear? Do you want me to send Harley? She's locked. Do you want me to come down there?
That's the first pump disabled.
Great. Only 2 more to find.
Oracle, that's the second pump shut off.
Just 1 more to go.
You do not listen to me. I said stop him, but you let him through. Try harder, or I'll hurt you badly.
Come on, back. Show yourself. Is this your Batcave?
If you don't stop him from getting to the control room, then I'll personally feed you to one of Ivy's plants. I mean, it's free and they thrive on a diet of insects.
So let me get this right. You stay up in wherever the hell you are, and we go poking around in some caves. Great. When I see Batman, he's going down. He'll die in his cave.
Listen to me. Batman is down there with you. He must not get to that control room. You understand?
I get it. He's pissed at Batman. What's new? What was that?
Hold up, I'm coming with you. I'll take the control.
Haven't you found him? What's keeping you? He's down there. I know it. You know it. So just do it!
I'm telling you, if there's one place you'd expect to find a bat, it's down in a stinking cave. Bust me out of Blackgate to send me underground? There's gotta be easier ways to make a living.
I want God to melt in the tidal wave of corrosive goo. Is that too much to ask?
I'm clear! Control room's empty!
Taking one of you out! And not in a nice first date kind of way.
You heard Joker! Joker was right, I found someone! Someone, get over there! Oh God, found someone! Over here! Not you too! What happened? Just wake up, come on! Doing this! What's going on? Shut up and keep looking! Leave him here! Spread out and find the bat! Wait up, I'll watch your back.
Hey, Bats. I know you can hear me. I want you to hurt these guys. They're nothing to me.
That's pump 3 disabled. I'm going to head back up to the surface and track down Ivy.
Get in touch if you need anything.
Joker sent us to back up the other guys in the room.
Well, where are they? Didn't we have guns?
I don't need a gun. My body's all right. I'm a human weapon.
No, you're an idiot, and we are going to die down here.
I know you're down there, Bats. Ruining my plans. Oh, stay where you are. I'm sending down a token of my displeasure. Oh gosh, I hope it doesn't hurt you too badly.
Ivy's getting stronger. I need to stop her now.
I think she's still in the gardens where you left her, but she'll be in control of it now. You'll be walking into a trap.
That's what she thinks.
What do you think you can do, Batman? I am everywhere. My babies know your every move. You and your kind are arrogant enough to think you can destroy us. You will fail, and we will become the most powerful force on the planet. You will pay, Batman, for hurting my babies.
Oh God, does she ever stop going on about those plans of hers?
When I finish with Batman, I'll be coming after you, Joker.
Will you really? Now that's gratitude, isn't it? Women. You give them presents, experimental chemicals, and nice costumes, and they still turn on you. Well, good luck to you, Toots. I got an army, a city-sized dose of Titan, and a bag of weed. Come and find me when you're done with that raid. Ooh, it'll be fun. You can bring the wine. I'll make the salad.
It's rude to keep a girl waiting, Batman. So you're here at last. Do you like what I've done with the place? My babies are growing, Batman. Come and see. Are you scared, Batman? You should be. You're only a man. I've got myself a little security, Batman. They'll just die if anything happens to me.
I won't let you destroy it, Batman.
I told you to go to your cell.
I was a fool. I thought the plants were in pain. Now I realize they were evolving, growing stronger. And now we'll grow together.
Gotham will be mine. Don't do it, Batman! He's trying to hurt me.
Monsters. You don't want to miss it. So get your ass over to the sound block or you'll miss your final surprise.
Guest list only. If your name's not on the list, you ain't going in. Let's see, A, no, that's not right. B, Bane. Ah, here it is, Batman. Hey, looks Looks like you're the guest of honor. Give him a big welcome, guys!
That's it! Oh, yeah! Give him! Yeah, right! Yeah! Do it! Do it! Yeah! Do it! Yeah! Do it! Yeah! Do it! Yeah! Do it! Katie! Yeah! Way to go! Do it! Yeah! Do it!
Are you excited, Bats? I mean, we've been building up to this point all night. Don't tell me you've not been looking forward to it. I know I have. Surprise! Everyone always said I should be in television. You don't want to miss this, really. It'll be a blast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why didn't you stop Batman? Me? It was your plan, you goofy clown. I'm sending you back to the ventriloquist where you belong. You had to spoil everything, didn't you? Beating up Bane, feeding Scarecrow to Croc, slapping around Harley, my hobby, by the way, and ruining all my lovely Venom plants.
It's over, Joker.
Over? Why, my dear delusional Dark Knight, it hasn't even begun. Nicely done, Bats. You deserve a prize. Your old pal, Commissioner Gordon. Say, he looks all run down. Let's pep him up.
No! Batman! Get away!
Here we go. We're gonna have some fun now, kiddies. You're trying to resist the change. That's not fair. Come on, get in. So, you want to play hardball, Bats, do you? Your call. Pickle, pickle. No! Oh, you're ruining my big night. Months of planning down the crapper. I just wanted to bring down your grim facade and for once let you see the world as I see it, giggling in a corner and bleeding. But you've denied me even that. I have nothing to live for.
Arkham Asylum remains under lockdown, its staff at the mercy of the rampaging inmates. Just 10 minutes ago, we received this taped message.
Greetings, Gotham! Joker here! Arkham is of Gotham. But first, direct your eyes to the rooftops and witness the final destruction of your dear Dark Knight.
We've been circling the tower since the... Wait! There! Joker is making his move!
Showtime, Batman! Let's give the room something to talk about! Ha! Two freaks in a fight to the death! And for one night only, please welcome our special guest referee, come on! Change! Get crazy! It's the only way to beat me! You know you want to. Never. You wasted the antidote on yourself? Now that's funny! Hysterical! But you still spoil my fun, and for that, I'll paint Arkham with your blood. Let's get ready to tango! What are you doing? I can take it. I can take anything you throw at me, Bats. You can't beat me. I'm actually going to win. Ready for the next round?
Always.
What?
I'll never let you win. Never.
I'm fine, Barbara. The GCPD finally has control of the asylum. Doctors are treating the injured, but it looks like it'll take some time. All super criminals are back in custody. Quite a mess in there. And the venom-enhanced inmates are returning to normal. Though for some, the process can be quite painful.
Dad, how are you doing?
I'll survive. See you tonight, Barbara. Shame about your car. Can I give you a ride?
Thanks, Jim, but I have one on the way.
Get some rest. You deserve it.
Stay safe, Jim.
2 officers down. The suspect is fleeing in their patrol car.